an extremely tragic and an unfortunate incident that has taken place. 16 migrant workers were moved down by a goods train, and this happened in Maharashtra's Aurangabad district. All the 16 migrants were in fact returning to Madhya Pradesh, and they had fallen asleep on the railway track.
पटरी पे सुबह 5:15 बजे बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट तरीके से 16 मजदूरों की डेथ हो गई है। 5:15 बजे यहाँ से जो कैरियर ट्रेन गुजर रही थी उसके नीचे वो लोग अनफॉर्चुनेटली आ गए हैं। उनमें से एक इंजर्ड है, वो हॉस्पिटल में है। 4 लोग जो थोड़ा दूर बैठे थे उनकी हम पूछताछ कर रहे हैं और वो थोड़ा सा सदमे में है, तो उनसे बाकी सारी चीज़ें वेरीफाई करना और वो कहाँ से आए, कैसे निकले, वो सब करना अभी हमारी प्रोसीजर चालू है।
कितने मजदूर की डेथ हुई मैम?
अभी तक उसमें 16 मजदूरों की अनफॉर्चुनेट डेथ हो चुकी है। एक आदमी इंजर्ड है।
मैम कहाँ जा रहे थे मैडम?
ये लोग जालना से निकले थे, ऐसा जो आदमी अभी बचा है वो उन्होंने ऐसा बताया है। वी आर वेरीफाइंग दैट। और वो बोले कि वो भुसावल जाना चाहते थे, जहाँ से वो ट्रेन पकड़ना चाह रहे थे।
ये एमपी पैदल जा रहे थे क्या मैम?
हाँ, ये पैदल जा रहे थे और रेलवे पटरी पे वो थोड़ा रेस्ट करने के लिए लेटे थे, उनको नींद लग गई और ये हादसा हुआ।
एग्जैक्टली कहाँ से आए थे कुछ पता चला है?
नहीं, वी आर वेरीफाइंग दैट।
मैम बताया जा रहा है कि कंपनी से कोई इनका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था।
वी आर वेरीफाइंग दैट। अभी हमारी प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू टेक केयर ऑफ द इंसिडेंट फर्स्ट, और जो लोग बचे हैं उनको काउंसलिंग करना, जो इंजर्ड है उनको ट्रीटमेंट देना, और बाकी की जो सारी चीजें हैं इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम जल्दी से जल्दी
across to my colleague Santya, who's joining me live with those updates. Santya, can you take us through the latest updates coming in? An extremely unfortunate and a tragic incident of 16 migrants who've been moved down by a goods train in Maharashtra's Aurangabad district. Tell us, how did this happen?
See, Apurva, as you rightly mentioned, absolutely tragic incident. It took place at around 5. It took place at 5:22 today morning, and there were 16 migrant laborers, and unfortunately, all of them succumbed to the accident. It was actually an empty petroleum tank train which was coming from Cherrapalli, Hyderabad, and was going towards Paniwadi in Maharashtra. And at around 5:22, the accident happened. Now, if we talk about these migrant laborers, they were actually coming from Jalna. It was at 7 in the evening on 7th of May. These migrant laborers started walking. They walked for at least 36 kilometers and reached the spot. And because they were extremely tired, they sat down on the tracks for a couple of minutes to rest. But unfortunately, they were so tired that they dozed off, and rest is we all know what happened. Now, what is being done as of now? Railway has actually initiated an inquiry in the matter at Commissioner Railway Safety level, and this inquiry is of course going to look into the nitty-gritties of the incident. Apart from that, if we talk about these laborers, they used to work in a factory in Jalna. All of them were actually from MP, most of them from Shahdol and Umaria areas of MP, and they were going towards Bhusawal because they were told that there's a train which is going to take off, going to start from there and will take them to MP. Unfortunate incident at around 5:22 reported from Maharashtra's Aurangabad area. Apurva.
All right. Also, Santya, we understand, as you were saying, that many of these migrant workers were in fact walking for days, and they were tired, and they just fell asleep on the track. How many migrants were there who are making their way all the way to Bhusawal to catch that train? And are there any of the migrants who are currently injured and undergoing treatment?
Apurva, as we heard that SP of Aurangabad, she was actually talking to media, and she said that unfortunately 16 of the migrant laborers have succumbed to the accident and one is still injured. Apart from that, there were 3 more people who were sitting nearby, and police as of now is recording their statement to understand the incident and to understand from where all these people were coming. Now, if we talk about the highways of Maharashtra, Apurva, highways of Maharashtra today as well are full of migrant laborers who are walking it out. Either they are trying to cross the border or they are trying it to the place from where the trains are starting. So that is actually a common sight on the highways of Maharashtra. And these deceased migrant laborers were also going to Bhusawal to catch a train which was supposed to take them to MP. Apurva.
All right. Also, Sandhya, any word coming in from the state government at this point? This is an extremely unfortunate incident. Any word coming in from the state government over this entire incident?
See, an official statement from Maharashtra state government is yet to come. The only thing which has been done as far as the inquiry part is concerned, that is initiated by Indian Railways, and that will be conducted at the level of Commissioner Railway Safety to understand the nitty-gritties of the incident. And as far as this particular incident is concerned, Maharashtra state government's official statement is yet to come.
All right, Sandhya, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates. Extremely unfortunate, tragic incident that has been reported. 16 of the migrant workers who were moved down by a goods train, and this happened in Maharashtra's Aurangabad district.